I was living before all of this, and I will continue to live. So please, I am tired. I want to stay focused. And
welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Wagwan. Bless up first and foremost. Wull on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs at JA. So subscribe if I your first time over here. So you see me? Yeah, so as you can see where the description of the video say that I go on today. And Kaylan mother, you don't know that I said girl away. I try to recover, you know, after she was beaten by 5 to 6 girls. So, and this woman right now in a current situation where she not have it for using me pay for certain medical and doctor bills. So it's a fundraising thing I go on. But funny how vloggers are spread wrong information. I mean, she said Kingmixup. I tell lie on her. About she buying car out of money and thing.
Kaylan is awake. Cheyenne is awake. My mother, my sisters are awake. My family is awake. Your family is awake. You are awake. So we have much to give thanks for. This is 2021. It's a rough year, and it's gonna be. Last year was rough, and I've seen that this year have started rough, more rough than last year, because there's no such word as rougher. Guys, it is a good day to be alive. God is good. God is blessing us. Let us focus on the positive things in life, because hard workers have no time to loiter. Remember, hard workers don't loiter. Let us give God some glory. Guys, I'm just giving you a quick snippet on Cheyenne's cake. The kitchen is a mess because I've been up from up to 3 last night. This morning, I haven't attempted to ice a cake in decades, and trust me, guys, I know an easy task. So, pardon the fondant and the cornstarch all over. Let me see how you turn around this camera. I can't. Don't know how to turn around this camera, so I'm going to have to just maneuver. So, my work area, flowers all over the place. Fondant, guys. Fondant. Shelly May provided that fondant from last year. May I have it, you know? I said me I got ice cake. Guys, look. This is Cheyenne's cake. That is the top. This is the base. Let me put it on the board. You see, guys? Look, let me take it off. Oh, Cheyenne is gonna be so excited. I'm honestly gonna say this. It's cheaper to buy a little cake. One of the little Mega Mart cakes. Because if you're gonna attempt this and you don't have stuff already, it's gonna cost you. You see that, guys? You see them ruffles there? Ah, look at that. Look at that. So we're attempting a unicorn cake. Ruffles is going to go all the way up to here. So pink ruffles is going to be here. And white ruffles here. And then the top with the horn. Let me show you guys the horn. This is the horn. Stars and flowers that I made from fondant. See them, guys? This mama don't come to play. So, when people chit chat and talk and do all kind of tearing down, it does not affect me. I try my best not to let it affect me, because at the end of the day, it changes nothing. And I will continue to tell you guys this. Let me go in my room, my house where me live in for donkey how much years now? Years, my house where me live in for years, people. Yes, cause I'm getting annoyed and tired of it, because these people are not looking on how much I put in and how much hard work I do. They're not focusing on my efforts to do the right things. Yeah. How much years me live in that house? Somebody who know me can attest. Long time. And nothing in here no new. Me have receipt for everything. And the dates them. See there? See my bed there. Shelly me by that bed there. Me can't tell you that that's me by my bed. Shelly me by this bed. See Shelly me there? Shelly me, hi my sister. See my bed there. It's not made here, guys. My bed is not made. It's a king size bed. People need to come off my name now. Please, leave me alone. I was living before all of this and I will continue to live. I was living before all of this and I will continue to live. So please, I am tired. I want to stay focused and I want to do what is right continuously. And that this is the only time I'm going to address anything in regards to anybody. So if you're lucky to get that response now from me, this is the only response you're going to get. All right? This is the only response you're going to get. Yep. And all my stuff has been here for long. I don't buy nothing new. I buy a tablet the other day. It's in my email. Well, NCB can't show you the receipt, and that tablet is at the hospital. Please leave me alone. Every day I'm at the pharmacy. Every day. Please. Every day I'm at hospital except on a Sunday. Every day, run up and down, do everything. Please leave me alone. Not even my bathroom not tidy, because I don't have time for nothing. Unfinished, and it not finished for now neither. See, me missing 2 tiles up there, so, and I don't even know when I'm going to put them in, because I'm not going to look for no tile. Yeah, see there, people. Yeah, the rag them hang up. I'm not sure I get where I come from. See there? Please, leave me alone. Kingmixup, come off of my name. Please. I am tired of you. Find something constructive to do with your lives. Stop tear down people where I try. Guys, there's some Kaylan supplies here. And the ointment, Savlon, rags, towels, pampers, everything. See them? Right, I have some more in our room. Our room is a mess because I tear down from when I search for some stuff, can't find it. It's a Kaylan room here. Kaylan and Cheyenne share room. I soon I forgot to sort out that, but Kaylan and Cheyenne share room. Oh guys, sorry, I never shown you. These are some of the things Kaylan was selling. See them? I have several pairs of these. Several pairs. I'm not sure how much she have. But I know she has these for sale. I was going through the barrel that has her stuff in it. See them? Stuff. See them all over. Kaylan stuff. See one bag here. Me take out of the barrel. Guys, if you need any of these boots, I don't even know what price me I figure ask. Try and figure it out. See them? Kaylan stuff, guys. If you go to Kaylan, no, KD underscore La Boutique underscore boutique, you will see her page. She just started posting her lashes and stuff a little before all of this thing happened. And her shoes and stuff were supposed to go up. She have some clothing items too, but honestly, I don't know what is hers, what she keeping and what she not keeping. But I know she have a lot of stuff for sale. See there, shoes, guys. Kaylan shoes. You see, I have several pairs of them. See, these are boots. High heel boots. That Kaylan. See the barrel here? Which are stuff them pack up in now the center of the room because I was tearing down. So one more shoes. This is a Jamaica shoe, people. Black, green, and gold. I think this is a size. This is a size what? 39, guys. That Jamaica shoes, that's 39. That is a 30. It's very nice. It's pumps. It's a pumps. Kaylan have a lot of stuff for sale, you know. It's a Kaylan TV there. And I want clean. Right, guys? She have a see her stuff them with tags on them same way. See me take up on her dress here what she has sell. Guys, let me tell you something about Kaylan. She love money. She love money. Kaylan love money, so she always, yeah, US 8. She love money, so she always a hustle. She always a ask. She always a send out job application. See one dress here. I don't know how this go, but it's for small body people, not for my size. One of the dresses Kaylan is selling. Guys, see it there? Shelly May, Angela May, can you please post Kaylan's what you call it? IG page. I'm gonna have to take the pics and what I'm gonna do, guys. Not today, not tomorrow. Kaylan loves purple, so me tell you no, see her room wall? She's a purple girl. If me show how much bag she have and something with purple and stuff, what she love, purple. Right, so I would have to go through her stuff and pick out her stuff them because she have a lot of clothes. Kaylan have a lot of clothes. I'm going to show you a snippet of Kaylan's closet. It's a mess. Remember I told you guys it's a mess because I'm searching for a lot of stuff. So one of Kaylan's school bag here, purple. Kaylan love purple. Kaylan maths book seat there, purple. Shoes, Kaylan shoes. Look at shoes. Look. You can't see shoes? You see shoes? See bag? See bag? Bags. See our school book them over there, so look at Kaylan's clothes. And this is just one section of where Kaylan's clothes are. You see that? Cool clothes. And Kaylan no wear more than half pound of cloth, you know. No wear more than half pound of cloth. So she have a lot. So she pack up her whites them here, so I don't know how she do it. But I can't go through all of this. Chester drawer full of clothes for Kaylan again. Kaylan full. Oh, guys. See some of the templates here for the lashes. See them? Where you put the lashes on. See them? See the box here? This came from AliExpress. See it there? You see the name Omatola May, Shelly May. You that. Shelly May ordered Kaylan stuff for sale. So, guys, look what I found. Look what I found. Kaylan, alright. See our page here. I don't know if I go see it. See our stickers them here. Look, guys, let me move the curtain so you can get light. Maybe you guys can see. See our page. This is, see it there. You see it? Can anybody see this? This is one of the stickers for her logo. This is her logo, and this logo was done by my brother. See? See if you can see the name. That's her logo. That's Kaylan's logo. So, Kaylan have money in the room. I don't know where, because the day when the incident happened, she went and sold some lashes in Halfway Tree. She dropped off some lashes in Halfway Tree, and she been selling. She put up her money. Me don't know which part in here there. I'm really not gonna look for it. When she reach home, some more diapers and stuff over there. So on the bed, I have everything all over the place. Me try to keep our things them stocked up, because she not for want a nothing, and she not gonna want a nothing. So guys, that's is Cheyenne bed over there, and that is Kaylan Bossy bed over there. Yeah. All right. Yes. So I'm gonna go and finish ice. Cheyenne's cake. Yeah. Kaylan _D. No. Oh, where? Let me go in our phone. Guys, I can go in our phone. Guys, let me tell you something. I am not really... see somebody get it there. K_la_boutique. That's it. That's it. Yes, she's wearing diapers, Suki. She is wearing diapers, not will be wearing diapers. She has been wearing diapers all this time. So I have to buy diapers and wipes regular. And they change them pretty often too. You want to see the cake? There you go. See, start sweat already. Let me just take it out. See, the other half is in the fridge. See it there?